Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to clear your call history on Telegram's desktop app using the latest update. Whether you're tidying up for privacy or just prefer a clean slate, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the latest version installed for access to all new features. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Click on it to open the left side menu. In the menu, scroll down until you find the Calls option. Click on it, and your full call history will load. Here, you'll see every incoming, outgoing, and missed call listed chronologically. Take a moment to locate the specific call or calls you want to remove. If you're clearing multiple entries, you can repeat this process for each one. Once you've found the call you want to delete, right-click on it. A small context menu will pop up with several options. Select Delete selected from the list. Telegram will immediately ask you to confirm this action, a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Click Confirm to finalize the process. And that's it. The call is now removed from your history. If you want to delete more entries, simply repeat the steps. Right-click, select Delete selected, and confirm. Keep in mind that this action only removes the call from your own log. It won't affect the other person's history. For those who prefer to clear their entire call history at once, Telegram's desktop app now lets you do this efficiently. Just open the Calls section, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose Delete All Calls. Confirm your choice, and your entire log will be wiped clean in seconds. Managing your call history on Telegram is now more intuitive than ever, thanks to these streamlined desktop controls. Whether you're decluttering after a busy week or prioritizing privacy, these tools put you in full command of your data. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more tips on mastering Telegram's features. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your own tech tricks. Until next time, keep your digital space organized and secure.